Welcome, in front of me is Honor Pad V9, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't get access to your account using your PIN code. So the first best thing that you can do is take your time and try to remember the PIN code that you entered the last time, the one that worked for you. This will let you regain the access to your account the easiest way, of course, and it might be hard, but it might save you a lot of time and a lot of work, and also your data in the future, because if you really can't remember your PIN code, then the other way to recover the access to your account would be to contact the Honor customer support service, tell them about your issue, prove the ownership of your tablet to them, and in such case they will most likely help you recover the access to your device without removing any personal data from it, personal information, and basically all the data stored on your device. So yeah, this would be the second best option of what you can do. And if you can solve your issue this way, then you can perform a factory reset operation that will surely let you regain the access to your account. Now you can do this, of course, the most important mention, factory reset operation will remove all the data from your device. So yeah, you'll just have to set up a new account for it, and then of course get the access back. But you have two options of performing a factory reset operation. If you have a Google account linked to your Honor device, then you can perform factory reset operation remotely. To do this, use the Find Hub service that you can look up on Google using any of your other devices. Log into your Google account that is linked to this device there, and select this tablet on the list. Once you're logged in Find Hub, then select factory reset, and your data will be erased remotely, and you'll be able to set up a new account to use your device. Now the other way to perform factory reset is to perform it locally. To do this, you'll have to know how to navigate in the recovery menu, and if you don't worry, we got an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for me, that will be all. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.